abasae habubare abagwatani bae imyamaga chamane yekiamekyo homo basorero hase umura w'ikiamekyo muske Rigathi Gachagua aira chingaki chiabene ko batogya abasae abo bagenzi asogwesokya na kwegerera amagani yabo
Nanya nabo nigo abarai abekirana asumusangirekano yo bakoragwa no mukonyi w'ikiamekyo Cleophas Malala barokana ko yo mochi abururo eserikali kubwatikana nemirobelyo yaye Mulkito Daniel Omwaga nabakagwikirana chinsemekyo nabigo gutwariganiria ayakubwatia
Omugaso orero asumusangirekano w'abasae bari barabwatani bekiamakeria gya DCP uyumanyakaine buna DCP Youth League Forum.
Raundi tumesema sisi ndio serikali sawa, na tumesema raundi hatupangwingwi, ati hatufanyi nini, hatupangwingwi.
Oburai bwa serikali ya William Samoei Ruto nigo bwarerekana kwenyora sa kongu mayega yoko mochoboro na barai abo bekana asenseme yo musangirekano yo omugasorero gokwana n'ababwatani baye oyo kabere omukonyi bo murai bwense Rigathi Gachagua nabo igo oyo ro murai bw'ekiamekyo gya DCP nigarerekana ko batogya abasae ase akorerekana ko ira chincherere cya mutwe asokwegerero bosibore amona mbangani yabo imeyense.
But God has been gracious to this country that our young people, the Gen Zs and the millennials, have taken a very firm stand that they will take an active role to liberate their country from oppression, from abductions, from extrajudicial killings, theft, mismanagement of public resources, nepotism, tribalism, and no other ills that bedevil our country, courtesy of one Githinji. Nyinyi vijana nataka kumwambia pongezi.
Gachagua nigo irari bagere goteba tene nibuna nigo ebegete nsemo kubatikana ibikorwa bw'iti w'abasae bari abagenzi ekero gyokurobekana kwabo okugwakorekana ndakitari kya 25 namo omotienyo gatano alimo umwaka oria bwekiri wibere na 24 abo bale kunyamirira finance bill erikonyora yabekirwe sayino mara ibwense Dr. William Ruto.
I disagreed with William Ruto completely when I was his deputy about the killing of our young people and the abduction of young people. I could not reconcile my conscience as a father, as a leader, as a head of a household, that a government that was elected by the people could turn against our young people, abduct them, torture them, and kill them. I was unable to be part of that government. And I made a very serious decision on the 26th of June, 2024. I flew to Mombasa and held a parallel press conference with William Ruto. When he was calling our young people criminals, I called them my sons and daughters.
Ukwana ekerekyo omurai w'ekiamekyo gya DCP Cleophas Wakungu Malala nigo anyagikiria serikali asogoturumia ebirengo by'amasomo imeyense ase abikatene nibuna balia abantokana ene omurai bwense n'abantu batanchetie somo.
Wakati tulikuwa tunaunda manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza, tuliweka pale kwamba tuhakikishe ile mfumo ya university funding iwe mfumo ambayo inafanya kazi. Githinji ameenda amebadilisha the university funding model. Sasa hivi watu maskini, vijana maskini hawawezi pata uwezo wa kusoma. And therefore hii maneno ya kusema one term, it is serious. Sababu mkiregesha huyu Githinji tena, hii mambo ya university funding hamtasoma. Na yeye amependa kuzungukwa na watu ambao hawajasoma. Si mnajua watu ambao hawajasoma? Mnajua, imagine the PA to the president, Stanley to drop out. Advisor wa president anaitwa nani huyo Su? Sijui nani anaitwa Su nani huyo? Huyo jamaa yeye si hata drop out. Yeye alichungulia tu kwa shule akatoka. So the country is being run by people who do not prioritize education.
Enkwana ya Cleophas Malala nigo yarekana kwegwa kaboko amo na Irungu Nyakera uyo kuriye kirgu kivugabana ase county ya Nairobi.
But we have seen what this current administration has done about education. Mina semanga education indefanyanga mtoto wa maskini na mtoto wa tajiri wakae meza moja. Na it gives us a future and a hope. So when we see help imenyang'anywa, imestopiwa, lecturers hawezi kulipwa, lakini watu wanajaa kule State House wakipatiwa pesa ili wadanganywe.
Egati yabarebere baikana asomo sangerekano uyo namo no seneta bwe county ya Kiambu Paul Kalungo Wagadagwa uyo nonyenigo onyerage byarabore serikali ase ogochake muroberio bwo kolimi estema gochakira chinsa isano na mo ikachinsa nya chabutuko ase chinse mo chinde chinse asate birenga eyo no muroberio gosari chikura cyo mwaka 2025 na ibere.
Umesikia Kasongo amesema nini leo? Amesema hivi karibuni wataanza kuration stima. Ati kuanzia saa 11 jioni mpaka saa 4 usiku. Yani yako na akili timamu, wakati unahitaji stima ndio anazima. Raundi hii nataka kuambia vile anataka kufanya, anafanya rihaso ya kuiba kura na tunamuona 18.
Nechinkwana achigocha ekero kungusano gotini kugenderete kwene kibwa igati yomorewe kiama agiadi CP Rigathi Gachagua amo anegati ya abachumbe kurwa sorogongoriro wa Central igoro yoko mwakere koko Rigathi Gachagua bosio woko mwaka isiko morewe nse Dr. William Ruto.
William Ruto, your greatest opponents are the Gen Zs and the millennials of the Republic of Kenya.
Ngiripoteria egeteseni Again Soko TV Eriataria nenkuru kwa Daniel Omwaga.